Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials: an updated iPhone, a lightning cable, and a Windows PC. Plug the cable into both devices now. Trust this computer on the iPhone when prompted. Once done, open Settings and turn on Personal Hotspot. Set a simple password for security. Make sure cellular data is active because tethering uses your carrier plan. If you see a prompt to allow USB connections, accept it. This links the phone's network interface to your PC, so Windows can detect an internet adapter. Once the phone is connected, switch to your PC and open Network Settings. You should see Apple Mobile Device Ethernet or a similar adapter. Enable it if disabled. If Windows shows limited connectivity, run the adapter troubleshooter and check that iTunes or Apple device drivers are installed. Reinstall them if needed. Make sure no VPN or firewall is blocking new networks. Temporarily disable such software to test. If DHCP fails, manually set an IP4 address in the adapter to match your phone's subnet. You finish by verifying internet access. Open a browser and load a page, then check speed and monitor data usage so you don't hit caps. If the connection still fails, unplug and replug the cable, toggle Personal Hotspot off and on, then restart both devices. This clears transient USB and driver issues. If the adapter never appears, reinstall drivers and update Windows. Finally, if tethering is restricted, contact your carrier. Some plans block USB tethering or require an add-on. Ask about allowances and any extra charges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.